We'll guide you through how to change text color in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project, or open an existing one where you want to edit the text. Once you're in the project, go to the toolbar on the left side and click on the text option to add a text box to your timeline. After you've added your text, click on the text box in the timeline to highlight it. This will bring up the text editing panel on the right side of your screen. In the text editing panel, look for the color option, which is usually represented by a color palette icon. Click on this icon to open the color picker. Here, you can choose from a range of preset colors, or you can click on the custom color option to select a specific shade using the color spectrum or by entering the hex code if you have a particular color in mind. Once you've chosen your desired color, click OK or Apply to set the color, and you'll see your text change color accordingly on the preview screen. If you want to change the color of multiple text elements, you can repeat this process for each one. And that's it. You've successfully changed the text color in CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.